Resistors in parallel means that the start and the end points of all of them are common. Let's label them A and B. Remember, the potential difference is always measured between 2 points. Let's connect these resistors R1, R2 and R3 in parallel to each other in a circuit with battery. Plug key and ammeter. So we will have the same potential difference across each resistor. Notice that we have connected the voltmeter in parallel with the combination of resistors. Here, if the potential difference across the battery is 6 volt, then what would be the potential difference across the 3 resistors R1, R2 and R3? The clue is here. Point A and B are common to the battery as well, right? So, potential difference across the battery and each of the resistor will also be the same. That is 6 volts. So, V is equal. Let's move on to the resistance. When the resistance R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel, the effective resistance is equal to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. And then the equivalent parallel resistance Rp is given by 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Let's derive this expression. On a quick note, if the current through the resistance are I1, I2 and I3 respectively, then the total current is I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Back to the derivation. As per Ohm's law, we have the expression I equal to V upon Rp. Substituting Rp, we have I equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 plus V upon R3. So, the equivalent resistance in parallel combination is lesser than the least resistance. Let's check this, shall we? Here, we are giving you the values of R1, R2 and R3 as 5, 10 and 30 ohms respectively. Calculate the total circuit resistance. Substituting in the formula, we will have the Rp equal to 3 ohms, right? This value of Rp is smaller than the least resistance 5 ohm of resistor 1. Parallel arrangement is used to reduce the resistance in a circuit. Here is an advantage of parallel arrangement. Even if any of the bulbs connected in parallel becomes non-functional, the circuit does not break as the current flows through the other parts and the rest of the bulbs light up. When several bulbs are connected in parallel, they emit the same amount of light as when they are connected individually in the circuit, as they have the full voltage of the battery. I hope you found this discussion interesting. For more such content, subscribe to our channel. Happy learning!